Welcome to Algebra Basics. Today we are going to learn a critical skill, checking solutions using substitution verification. This is how you can know for sure if your answer is correct. So, what exactly is substitution verification? It is simply the process of taking the answer you found and plugging it back into the original equation. If the equation remains true, your answer is correct. It is the best way to grade your own work. Think of an equation like a balance scale. The equals sign in the middle means that the total value on the left side must be exactly the same as the total value on the right side. Our goal is to make sure the scale stays balanced. Here is the three-step process. First, prepare by writing down the original equation and your answer. Second, substitute the variable in the equation with your number. And third, simplify the math to see if both sides are equal. Let's look at an example. We have the equation x plus 5 equals 12. Suppose we solved this and found that x equals 7. Now, we need to verify if 7 is actually the correct number. To check, we rewrite the equation but replace x with 7. Now we have 7 plus 5 equals 12. When we do the addition, we get 12 equals 12. Since this is a true statement, our answer is correct. But what if we made a mistake? Imagine we thought the answer was 4. We substitute 4 into the equation. 4 plus 5 equals 9, but the equation says it should equal 12. 9 is not equal to 12, so we know 4 is the wrong answer. Let's try a slightly harder one. 2x minus 4 equals 6. We think the answer is 5. We substitute 5 in for x. 2 times 5 is 10. 10 minus 4 is 6. 6 equals 6. It works. Be very careful with negative numbers. Always use parentheses when you substitute a negative value. For example, if we have negative 3x equals 12 and we check negative 4. Negative 3 times negative 4 is positive 12. It matches. To wrap up, remember to always plug your answer back in. Use parentheses to keep your signs correct, simplify carefully, and if the two sides match, you can be 100% confident in your solution.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.